Hello children, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use reported speech, also known as indirect speech. So I'm assuming you know the basics on how to use reported speech, so we're going to go over a few specific points. So first, as you can see, we have instructions or imperatives. So here the only thing you have to do, you don't have to change the tense of the verb, you just have to use to plus the verb in present. So let's look at an example. We have here, turn to page 69. So how would we report this? Is he said to turn to page 69. So turn, it doesn't change into past. In this case, we just need to plus the verb in present. Now another example with do and a negative. So negative form, don't eat in class. So he said not to eat in class. So we get rid of do and we use only not to plus the verb in present. Very good. Now moving on to yes no questions. Now we can have different types. When we report, instead of using he said, we can use he asked, he wanted to know, he was wondering, or just stick to one of these. So first we have a just no question with the auxiliary do. So do you need help? So we report it like this. He asked if I needed help. Don't forget, for just no questions we need to use if. Now we get rid of do, but we have to change the tense of need into the past form, needed. Moving on, we have now a question with the verb to be as an auxiliary. So is he mad? So we report it this way. He wanted to know if he was mad, or if he wanted to know if I was mad, depending on the case. So he wanted to know if, again, don't forget, just no question, he was. Now we have to reverse the order. Remember, for questions, first we have the auxiliary and then the subject. Now when we put it like this, like in a statement form, we have to put then the subject and then the auxiliary. Of course, this is going to change. Is in present tense. We're gonna put the past form, which is was. Now another one we have, can you play guitar? Now don't forget, can has to change into could in this case for yes no questions. So he was wondering, as you can see, he was wondering if, yes no question, you could play the guitar. The same, the order is reversed. Instead of can you, we change it to you could. Yes. Now finally we have requests. Now in the case of requests, we don't need to use could. That gets eliminated. And the same rule applies. We're going to use to plus the verb in present. So could you pass the salt? He asked to pass the salt. It's really important. For requests, we're going to use reporting verb ask. Okay. So could you tell me where the post office is? Now, so we get rid of could, and then we have was here. The original verb was is in present. We're gonna change it to was. So he asked where the post office was. We can also say he asked me where the post office was. Either of these is correct. So I hope this was useful. Take care and see you in the next video.